Join me as I dive deep into the world of sound stock and reveal expert insights that could change the way you think about audio forever. Sound stock is a crucial element in various media, including film, video games, and online content creation, as it enhances the overall viewing experience and draws the audience into the story. Finding high-quality sound stock can be a real challenge for creators, especially those on a tight budget. Many are forced to scour the internet for free options, which can be time-consuming and often lead to mediocre results. Budget constraints are a major issue, as high-quality sound stock can be expensive, and licensing issues can be a nightmare to navigate. Creators must ensure they have the necessary permissions to use the sound stock in their projects, which can be a complex and frustrating process. Licensing issues can also lead to legal problems if not handled properly, making it essential for creators to understand the terms and conditions of using sound stock. The consequences of using unlicensed sound stock can be severe, resulting in financial losses and damage to one's reputation. There are various types of sound stock available, ranging from free to paid options. Free sound stock libraries can be a great starting point for creators, but they often lack the quality and diversity of paid libraries. Paid sound stock libraries, on the other hand, offer a wide range of high-quality sounds, but can be expensive. A valuable sound stock library is one that is well organized, regularly updated, and offers a diverse range of sounds. Such libraries can be a game changer for creators, providing them with the tools they need to take their projects to the next level. The quality of sound stock can make or break a project, and creators must be willing to invest in high-quality sound stock to achieve professional results. Industry professionals agree that choosing the best sound stock for a project is crucial. They recommend considering the specific needs of the project, such as the genre, tone, and style, when selecting sound stock. Expert insights also suggest that creators should keep an eye on future trends shaping the sound stock market, such as the increasing demand for immersive audio and the rise of virtual reality. By staying ahead of the curve, creators can ensure they have access to the best sound stock available and stay competitive in their respective industries. The sound stock market is constantly evolving, and creators must be adaptable and willing to learn in order to succeed. The key takeaway from this video is that sound quality is essential in enhancing content. Investing in high-quality sound stock can make a significant difference in the overall viewing experience, and creators should prioritize sound stock in their projects. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, share your favorite sound stock resources, and subscribe to my channel for more insider tips on sound stock and content creation.